Alright, so, you see me. Me and Mason are gonna show you how to change the belt in a RZR800. I know my steering wheel's in the way, but we're gonna make it happen here, okay? So, first thing you do is you gotta pull the seats out. So, seats are out of the way. Easy. Now we're gonna go to our Savage toolkit and get some tools. So, we wanna unplug our little belt temp sensor, alright? So, you break it. Got the brake socket. Big socket? Yep, big socket. Nope, other one. Big wrench. One for the seat. Oh. Sometimes you gotta make your own tools. This is a chainsaw spark plug wrench that we cut the end off of. So that way it'll fit in the toolkit. And it's got a Torx end to do these other bolts here. Don't tell Polaris, but we got rid of their nuts and bolts. Got a big wing nut and a bolt. It's so much faster to get the soft side and try and play with two boxing wrenches where it doesn't fit. This wing nut catches the frame. Good to go. Grade 8 bolt. So much faster. See the wrench, please? And then on the shift console, you gotta get these little Torx screws out. Two of them. One up on the side over here too. So let's put this tool in. Alright, so this hard spar comes out. Next thing I do is loosen these hose clamps and then take off the perimeter bolts on the case. There you go. So there's two hose clamps on here. We're going to loosen.
Cut the extension first.
Go ahead, listen. You can pick one. Do the duct or the PVT? Let's do the PVT. So loosen the clamp on the PVT. That's tight. So that's loose. Good. Alright. So that is, on our situation, a 1/4 inch little hose clamp bolt. And then the rest of the cover bolts are 3/8 or 10 mil. 3/8 seems to work better. And then I'll do the ones on this side and let Mason finish the other side. Side, buddy.
Jump on it.
Yep. First time I ever changed this belt, my dad took us like 30 minutes. Like, there's no way in hell I'd be changing the belt on the thing. And it's much easier right now we have the skid plate off, because when the skid plate's there, it's hard to get the wrench in there, but you should find the right combination of ratchet, extension, and bolts to make it happen. We tried one of those little springy wrench screwdriver things. And how'd you like that, Mason?
Horrible.
Yeah, so the ratchet with the proper extension makes all the difference.
KIOZ San Diego is the home of the show.
Is that all of them?
There should be one more right here.
Yeah, I did take the easy side. I gave Mason the hard side. Sorry, Mason.
You always see the hard side.
So you pull this cover off. You don't want to lose the clamp, so I start on the shifter. Then you take the cover off, back it off. Then you gotta tip it up towards the passenger side. My shoulder's blocking. And kind of walk it out between that and the gas tank. It's kind of a tight fit, but it does come out. That's right. Do a little bit of convincing, right? There it is. The cover's off. I don't know if you can see the belt because the steering wheel's in the way, but the belt cover is off. We're gonna take apart the clutch and clean it and stuff. This is how you get to the belt. You can use a belt tool. I got a belt tool, Mason. This particular belt tool is a Savage belt tool. And you can't see it from there, but in the secondary clutch, there's like a little U-shaped thing, and you hook it in there and you pry it open and it makes the belt go slack, but I'm gonna try to do it with my hands just in case you don't have a special tool. Just to show you that it is doable. It says in the book to push down on the sheaves there, but I think you can just walk it off with my hand here. Yep. And that's how you get the belt off. So reverse order. Getting the new one on is a little bit harder. So this tool makes life much easier. Highly recommend a Savage UTV belt tool. You can hear that it's got some dirt in it. We gotta clean it out, but that's how you do it. And then you reverse the order and you're good to go. So it's not that bad. First time you do it, it's gonna suck, but we've done it quite a few times, so we're good at it, I think. Right?
Yeah.
All right, so that's how to get the belt off of a RZR. And just watch it in reverse to see how to put it back in. All right, have a good day. Team Pistelak out.